let's go ahead and solve for x in this quadratic equation. So we have x squared plus 8x minus 20 equals 0. So this is the third term, negative 20. So we are going to use the m and m plus n method, where we want negative 20 to be the m times n. So we want to find two numbers that equals, one multiplied equals negative 20, and they have to add up to the middle term. That's 8. That's the m plus n part of the method. So negative 20, let's try to split it up. We can split up several ways: 10, negative 2, or negative 10 to 5, negative 4, and so on. So we will very quickly see that 5 minus 4, when you add those two together, we are not going to get 8. So the only way we can receive 8 is through 10 and negative 2. So we're going to use those as our factors. So we're going to write two parentheses like this and this, and then put the x and the x as the first term. And then the 10 and the negative 2, we're just going to put them here. So 10 and negative 2. So these are our two factors, x plus 10 times x minus 2. Now if you want, you can quickly do a distribution on those. And when we do that, we get x squared minus 2x plus 10x minus 20. So then you combine the like terms and you get back the original quadratic equation. So we know it's correct. Okay, so now these are our two factors, x plus 10 and x minus 2. Okay, so that is equal to 0. Now use the zero product rule. What that means is you set each of this equal to 0. X plus 10 equals 0 and x minus 2 is equals to 0. So now bring this to the other side, and we have x equals negative 10, x equals 2. And you can plug those in and to make sure that it equals 0. So when we do that, each of those, when we do x equals negative 10, we get 0, x equals 2, we get 0. Now what this means is, in the graph, these are the x-intercepts. This is where the graph crosses the x-axis and where the y value is 0. Okay? All right, so we have one more, x squared minus 50, only two terms. So we're going to find something common. X is common, and then we have x common, x minus 55 in the parentheses, that's equal to 0. Use the zero product rule, x equals 0 or x minus 55 equals 0. So that gives us x equals 0 and x equals 55. So again, out here 0 and 55, these are the x-intercepts where the y value is 0. Okay, and you can also check it. You can substitute this into your quadratic equation and see it checks out, gives 0 in both cases. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will talk to you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.